Hello everyone and welcome to my listing at 1204 Pine Valley Road here in the gated community of Tidewater Plantation. I'm having an open house today, so I figured I would take you in and show you what it's all about. So looking at the outside, this home sits on a 1/4 acre and nothing will ever be built to the left of it. This is a golf course community. So there's a golf course path over there. This is a ranch style home built in 2002. It was recently painted on the outside. When the owner originally had it, there were shutters on the windows there that they removed. They repainted. They even repainted the driveway here so that it was a non-slip surface. So let's go ahead in and take a look. This home is a 3-bed, 2.5 bath. It's 2,400 heated square feet. Got a little utility closet here. I look like a rock star here from the tinted windows on my glasses. All right, so here it opens up into a main foyer, open concept, as a lot of people are looking for. We have fireplace number 1. And we'll go around here and we'll see fireplace number 2. But again, here's what you immediately walk into as your great area. So I'll go take a step back here. I'll show you the front living area. So here's the front door, turning in. You got a little kitchen area here. A pantry. Here is your half bath, entrance to your 2-car garage, laundry. Now the home does come complete with plantation shutters, so I've opened up a couple so you can see. Don't mind my computer there. Again, the homeowner has upgraded the kitchen. When it was first purchased, this was a green countertop. They put this nice little waterfall edge over it. This home is electric for its heating and cooling, but it runs on propane for its stove and its fireplaces. We got a deep sink, stainless steel appliances. Even the refrigerator makes coffee. So if you want to keep your countertops clear, you'll see the little Keurig logo there. Nowhere to have to get extra stuff on your counters because your refrigerator can make your coffee now. So I'm standing in the dining room area here. And let's go ahead into the great room, or the Carolina room, I should say. Now, this is multifaceted because you can either use this as a secondary living, informal, near the fireplace, a nice stone fireplace. Again, more plantation shutters. Or you can actually, as the previous owner had it, as a home office on this section. So vaulted ceilings in the Carolina room, which makes this one of the largest 3-2s in the neighborhood. And coming over to the master. This home is on a wooded lot, so very easy in terms of its overall maintenance. No real grass to cut. Into the master bedroom and bathroom, we have walk-in closet number 1 with some custom shelves. Into closet number 2. Got a nice little pocket door here. There is tile for the wet surfaces, the throne room, double sinks, standing shower, jetted tub with frosted block glass. The HOA in this particular neighborhood is only $179 per month. And there are 2 pools in this neighborhood, as well as a workout facility. And as an owner, there is a private owners only beach cabana that is sitting on the ocean, ready for you to go to the beach. Very, very large walk-in closet here with a pocket door. You got your full bathroom number 2. And your bedroom number 3. And this has your standard bifold closet doors. This home is currently listed for $569,900. Go ahead and take a look at the outside. So you have an immediate fence here with a walkway that leads out toward the backyard. Now this is just a little bit kind of as a dog run, if you will. So this is only half of the backyard because the rest of the backyard goes to this fence right here. So you have a lot of extra area if you wanted to clear out some trees to increase the level of the backyard. What the owner did here, and again, the secondary fence here is where your backyard goes to. So the owner did their side yard activities or backyard activities over here, created this block patio. And around here we have room for a generator, which does come with the home. And then you have your HVAC and your door to the garage. Here's where they have put the propane tank very nicely behind a fence. So again, back into the Carolina room area. All right, well, thank you for taking a look at this home with me. If you have any questions, my number is 843-796-0002. Again, it's Brent Zajac with Dream Home Sales, part of Realty One Group Dockside in North and South Carolina.